Alrighty class, today we are going to be learning about patterns. Patterns are objects that tend to repeat themselves. It's kind of like this. So why don't we review our shapes, for example. What shape is this?
Triangle.
Triangle. Good job. And then what shape is this?
Square.
Square. Good job. Then what shape is this?
Triangle.
Triangle. What shape is this?
Square.
Square. Good job. What shape is this?
Triangle.
Triangle. And what shape is this?
Square.
Square. What shape is this?
Triangle.
Triangle. And what shape is this?
Square.
Square. Now, just according to what we have, from what we have right here, if I were to keep going, what would be the next shape that I would?
Triangle.
Triangle. Good job, Victoria. And then, what would, if I were to continue on again, what would be the next shape that I would use?
Square.
Square. Good job. And then if I were to continue even further, what would be the next step? What would be the next shape that I would use? A triangle. Good job, everybody. So right here we have created something called a pattern, where we would use two different objects, or in this case we use shapes, and we just kept using them triangle, square, and we kept doing it the exact same way. Now there are other ways of also doing different patterns, such as colors. Out of these four colors, I'd want you to choose one color. Green, alrighty. And then out of these three colors, I want you to choose another color. Blue, perfect. Alrighty, we're gonna use these two to show. You'll be able to get another shot, I promise. You'll be able to get another one. But using these two colors, we're going to do a pattern very similar to what we have already done. So what color is this?
Blue.
Blue, good job. And what color is this?
Green.
Green. What color is this?
Blue.
Blue. What color is this?
Green.
Green. What color is this? Good job, Victoria. And what color is this?
Green.
Green. And what color is this?
Blue.
And what color is this?
Green.
Green. Alrighty. And so if I were to continue on, if I were to keep going, what would be the next color that I would choose between the blue and the green?
Blue.
Blue. I would choose blue. And if I were to continue on again, what would be the next color?
Green.
Green. And then if I were to choose again, what would be the next color?
Blue.
Blue. So as you can see again, we've done another set of patterns. Again, we've done another set of patterns. Can we think of any other patterns?
Like day and then night, and then it goes day, and then it goes night, and then it goes day, and then it goes night.
You're right. If we want, as Danny just said, that there's day and there's night. And so what could we draw on the board that would look like day? What's one thing?
Sun.
A sun. Good job. So we would have a sun, and you said a smiley face?
Yeah.
Alrighty. And then what would you use for the night?
A moon.
A moon. Let's do it with a different color.
Banana moon.
Victoria, what color would you like to use?
Fine over here.
Purple. You like the purple, okay. And so we would use somewhat of a moon. And then again, as stated before, we would what would the next one be?
The sun.
The sun. The smiley face.
Yeah.
and then we would use a moon afterwards, huh?
Yeah.
Say it out. And then we would just keep going on and on and on. Today, I would like us all to get into, I'm going to split you guys all into 3 different groups. And in those 3 different groups, I'm going to have you guys do different activities. One is going to be drawing out your own pattern. Just like these 3 patterns that we did on the board together, such as the shapes. We did different colors. We also did the moon and the sun. Any other one that you can think of, I'd like you guys to draw it out. The second group, however, is going to use coloring, just like this color right here, the ones that we did with the green and the blue. I'd like you to choose 2 different colors and then color them using these, okay? So make your own pattern. The third group, however, is going to actually use Fruit Loops. I'm sure all of you guys know what these are. And we're going to alternate with different colors every one. So just like we did with the sun and the moon, we had 2 different colors, and also with the blue and the green. So again, we will be doing these three different groups. So let's see. Victoria, which group would you like to have? The drawing, the coloring, the drawing. All right. Alrighty, so we're going to use this one right here. I'm going to have you just draw any of them. Again, it has to be within the patterns. Okay? So draw any type of pattern that you would like. And then Danny, what would you like to do?
I want to do the Fruit Loops.
You want to do the Fruit Loops. Alrighty.
Sorry.
Okay.
Should we repeat that?
And then of course you get the coloring one. So again, we're trying to do a certain pattern here, okay?
Can I use this paper to put the...
We're going to give ourselves a good
How many colors?
2 colors. We're just going to use 2 different colors.
Oh, this is colors.
Only 2 colors today.
Wrong one. If I run out of space over here, do I continue? So this one would be red. Okay.
Do you want to do a different type of pattern with using the different colors? You can go ahead and do it as well.
Yeah.
And then look for all 3 of you.
I haven't had these in a long time.
I'm done.
Alrighty, good job. We're just gonna wait just a couple more minutes, okay?
Just kidding.
Yeah, almost did.
Once we're all done, we're gonna share our different patterns that we have created. Ooh. Alright, it's about done. Great.
Not there.
Alrighty, we'll go accordingly, okay? Victoria, I want you to share. I want you to share what kind of pattern you have.
I draw moon and sun too, but I use orange to draw the sun. So this circle.
Good job. Alrighty, we're gonna
Me, I draw this. I color this. It's kind of like a circle like this, you know.
Good job.
Wow.
And then Dad, what kind of pattern did you create there?
Well, first I did red and purple, but then I had extra time, so I did orange, yellow, and I repeated in a
And just
line.
kept going.
Why how
I couldn't find the whole orange, yellow one. Here, right there. There.
Alrighty. Well, tomorrow, we're just gonna close it up, and I'm actually gonna let you guys go to recess for a little bit, and then tomorrow we'll be learning more about patterns and then numbers.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Miss.